Hi, welcome to Virtual CB1A. For today's video lecture, we are going to talk about the area of a triangle. So, na-discuss na natin yung area ng triangle sa subject natin na geometry. So, this time, we are going to apply the trigonometric ratios and trigonometric functions that we've learned from the previous chapters or previous lessons in finding the area of a triangle. So ito, tong first na triangle natin dito, medyo familiar na kayo kasi given kung sino yung altitude, h, or yung line segment from an angle meeting the opposite side at 90 degrees. So that is h. And of course, the base. So madaling hanapin kung sino si altitude at saka kung sino si base. Before, ang ginagamit lang natin for finding the measurement of the area is A is equal to 1/2 BH, where B is the base and H is the height of the triangle. But take note, here in trigonometry, we use capital letters to denote angles. And it happened na dun sa mga given na triangle natin, meron tayong angle A. So baka magkaroon ng misconception that angle A is equal to 1/2 BH. So instead of using the letter A, we are going to denote our area as K is equal to the base times the height. So, ba't mas naging specific tayo? Sinulat ko na dito ng buo yung base at height. Again, katulad nung issue natin with the capital A, yung notation natin for area, pag itong B, isinulat lang natin as B, we denote the sides of a triangle as lowercase letters. Paano kung triangle ABC na naman yung given sa inyo? Baka magkaroon na naman ng misconception that this B here is the base. Look at the triangles. So, ito si H. Ang imimit ni altitude ay yung base. So, ang base nito ay si side C, not B. So, baka magkaroon ng maling pag-intindi, ma-misinterpret, magkaroon ng misconception. So, we are going to focus on the definitions rather than the notations. So, kaya ko siya sinulat as buong base at buong height. Now, let us identify the parts and how are we going to compute for the measurement of the given triangles in terms of the area. So, dito, hanapin natin si area K nung first na triangle. So, dun sa book nyo, meron tayong assumption na nakalagay. So, ang assumption natin ay there are two sides and the included angle na given. So, let's suppose that we have triangle ABC in which A can be either acute, a right angle, or obtuse. And ang mga known na parts natin ay angle A, side B, at saka side C. So, ito yung assumption natin. Paste ko dito yung assumption. Yan. Assume that A, B, and C are known. Focus tayo sa unang figure, wherein our angle A is acute. Alam daw natin to. Known daw siya. Ano pa yung dalawang known? Si B at saka si C. Alam ba natin ang altitude? Hindi. Yan ang problema. Kaya hindi natin magagamit yung alam natin na formula noon sa geometry na basta-basta na lang. Kasi hindi natin alam kung ano ang value ni H. So, from C, nag-drawing tayo ng altitude meeting C, side C. Yung paglalagay natin ng altitude divided our triangle into two right triangles. So, ito yung una nating right triangle. Isa-shade ko siya, gagawin ko siyang yellow. Yan. Ito yung isa nating triangle. Yan. Basta itong may yellow, ito yung isa nating triangle ha. And from this triangle, ano-ano yung mga properties na alam natin? Alam natin na may measurement si A at alam natin na may measurement si B. So, paano natin mako-compute si H? So, we can compute for the value of H using the idea of the trigonometric function sin theta is equal to the opposite over the hypotenuse. So, si opposite ni A ay H. So, if you are going to compute for sin A, it is equal to H over the hypotenuse. The hypotenuse is opposite your right angle. So, ang opposite ni right angle dito ay si side B. So, this is H over B. Kung unknown si H, kailangan natin hanapin si H, we are going to get rid of B using multiplication property of equality. So, just multiply both sides by B. You are going to end up with B sin A is equal to H. Or, ito yung tinatawag natin na height. Yan. Ngayon, i-identify natin, since meron na tayong measurement ng height, yung ating base. Maging specific tayo. So, meron tayong value na C, yung na-meet nung ating altitude as the base. So, substitute natin siya dito sa ating formula. So, we have the formula K is equal to 1/2 base times the height. So, from the derived values here, we have 1/2. Ang base natin ay C. Tapos, ang height natin ay B sin A. So, ito yung isang formula natin ng area for K using the first triangle where A is acute. Okay? Okay. And actually, kung i-extend nyo lang din to, using this other two triangles, makukuha nyo that babalik tayo dito sa K is equal to 1/2 CB sin A. Or, nakalimutan ko pala siya i-arrange. Pwede rin natin siya isulat as 1/2 BC sin A. Okay? So, dito, pag de-derive nyo using the second triangle, A is right angle, you have to take note that the sine of a right angle is equal to 1. Okay? So, magiging ano lang din siya, magiging base C times height H. Ang H natin is equal to B. Dito naman sa kabila, you have to recall the idea that sine minus theta is equal to, sine 180 minus theta is equal to sine theta. Okay? So, meron tayong property na ganon sa sine. Now, paano kung ang given sa inyo ay si lagay tayo ng isa pa dito sheet. Tapos copy ko to. So, drawing ako ng sarili kong triangle kasi ayoko na to gamitin. Kasi, magdodrawing tayo ng bagong height. So, dito, ang given kasi ay si A, si B, at saka si C. Si angle A, si angle B, at si angle C. Again, two sides and the included angle. Paano kung meron tayong ABC pa rin? This is C, this is B, this is A. But the given angles are, the given sides are sides A and C at saka si angle B. Ano yung magiging formula natin pag ganito yung case? Okay. So, ito daw ang given. Tapos ito, given din si A at saka si C. Hindi natin alam kung sino si B. So, similar idea pa rin. Hahatiin pa rin natin yung ating triangle. We are going to draw an altitude from the one of the vertices. Tapos, dapat, hindi natin kakailanganin si V. If we are going to draw an altitude from A, halimbawa, dito natin napili maglagay ng altitude. Parang dito siya, lalabas siya eh. Parang dito yung magiging altitude niya. Kakailanganin mo si B. So, hindi natin pwedeng gamitin si A pan-drawing ng altitude from the vertex to the opposite side. So, ang option lang natin ay mag-drawing ulit ng altitude from C. And from here, magkakaroon tayo ng height dito. Kung earlier, ang ginamit natin ay itong right triangle having the sides B, H, at saka yung isang portion ng C. Dito naman, ang gagamitin natin, itong kabila. Yung may portion ng C, may side A, tsaka may angle B. Ayan. Siyempre, si H nandyan din. So, ang magiging focus natin ay itong triangle na to. Yan. Ito naman. So, kunin natin yung area niya ng buong triangle with the help of the right triangle that we derived out of the vertex C and the altitude. Okay. So, again, K is equal to 1/2 base times height. So, ano ang measurement ni height? H. Hindi natin alam. So, i-derive natin siya using sin B kasi given si angle B. So, we have here sin B is equal to the opposite, which is H, over A, which will give us a sin B, which is equal to H. O, substitute na natin siya dito. Ano yung base natin? Again, ang iminit nung ating altitude ay itong side C. So, ang base pa rin natin ay si side C. So, we have the base, which is equal to C pa rin. So, our new area will be given by 1/2 the base, which is C, multiplied by the height, which is A sin B. Or, i-arrange natin siya alphabetically. We have K is equal to 1/2. Una muna si A bago si C. AC sin B. So, this is the second formula if the given sides are A and C and the included angle is B. So, sundan nyo lang din ulit yung pattern. Pwede nyo ring makuha yung area if the angle C is given together with sides A and B. And you will see that the area is equal to 1/2 AB sin C. May pattern tayo. So, ano na naman yung pattern na susundan natin? Binigyan ko kayo ng pattern kung paano madaling tandaan ang law of sines, paano madaling tandaan ang law of cosines, paano madaling tandaan ang law of tangent. Ngayon, pagdating naman sa area ng triangle, bigyan ko ulit kayo. Ito yung tatlo nating formula, right? So, pag gusto niyo siya matandaan ng madali, para lang din siyang yung isang part ng law of cosines natin. Kung ito yung dalawang given na side, ang kapartner niyang angle ay yung wala dun sa tatlong sides. So, ang nawawalang side dito ay si side A. So, ang gagamitin mo for the sign ay si angle A. Dito, ang nawawalang side ay si side B kasi present si side A at saka si side C. So, ang gagamitin mo for the sign is the angle B. Next, ang present ay si A at si B. Nawawala si side C. So, for the sign, ang gagamitin mo ay si angle C. So, that is the quick way of memorizing all the three formula for finding the area. So, now that we know the formula for finding the area when you have a general triangle na given ang dalawang side and the included angle, doon na tayo sa example. So, copy ko lang to. Ayan. Tapos, solve natin siya. Pag medyo naiingayan kayo, pasensya na. Kasi sa bahay ako nagre-record ngayon. Pag nasa school kasi, laging naglalag. Ang bagal kasi ng internet. So, yun. Pasensya na kayo. Kung maingay. Yan. Okay, naipaste ko na siya. Ano-ano yung mga given sa atin? So, si angle A, tsaka yung dalawang sides na bumubuo ng angle A. Si side B at tsaka si side C. So, two sides and the included angle. We have 33. So, we have the area K is equal to 1/2 times yung dalawang given sides. We are going to make use of BC sine the included angle which is A. Ito yung gagamitin natin formula since B and C are given together with angle A. For the area, it is 1/2 times 5 times 7 times sine 33 degrees. Okay. Ready ko yung Desmos calculator natin and then we are going to compute. Okay. Ready na yung scientific calculator natin dito. So, sana may hawak din kayong scientific calculator while I am inputting the values para nakakasabay kayo sa akin. So, we have here 1/2. So, lagay tayo dito ng fraction. 1/2. Next, we have open and close parenthesis for the multiplication of 5. Close natin yung parenthesis. Open parenthesis, 7. Open parenthesis, sine 33 degrees. Make sure that your calculator is in degree mode. So, close lang natin siya. We have 9.53 11,83113. So, dito lang tayo sa hanggang 10,000. So, we have 9.5312. So, the area is approximately 9.5312. So, that is the area of the given triangle. Okay? Okay. Yun. Ang sagot ni Book ay 9.53. As usual, I used more decimal places. Now, let's go to case 2. Paano kung meron kang 3 angles and any side? So, ang given sa'yo ay, tingnan natin yung mga area na gagamitin natin. Iyan daw. So, case 2, 3 angles and any side. Lagay ko muna siya dito. Suppose that we have triangle ABC in which one side, say for example A, and all 3 angles are known. By the law of sines, we know that. So, explain muna natin ito. Suppose that, yan. So, ang known daw ay si angle A, si angle B, at saka si angle C, and si side A. Ano ulit ang law of sines natin? So, si law of sines, ang sinasabi niya ay the ratio of side A over sine A is equal to the ratio of B over sine B, which is equal to the ratio of C over sine C. So, known daw yan lahat. So, known daw si sine A, si sine B, tsaka si sine C. Pwede siyang makuha. But, the only known side is A. So, pwede mo siyang i-pair up with B over sine B or C over sine C. Di ba ganun yung lagi natin ginagawa sa sine? Kung sino yung ratio na kompleto, ipipair mo siya dun sa iisa lang na unknown. So, in this case, ang ginamit sa kanya ay si A at saka si C. Okay. So, we have here, uh, 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 kung ako ba susunod, ang gagamitin ko dito B. Kasi di ba gusto ko lagi yung magkadikit. Kasi ayoko nagbabox na magkalayo. Ayan, i-pair up natin silang dalawa. Di ba, dun sa una nating triangle kanina, meron tayong A, B, C. Ang base natin ay si C. Tapos, ito ay si side B, ito ay si side A. Ito yung ating altitude na H. So, using the law of sines, we have A over sine A is equal to C over sine C. The problem here is, if your altitude is meeting side C, yun ang magsisilbing base. Hindi nga natin alam kung ano ang value ni C. 'Di ba? So, ide-derive natin siya. How are we going to do that? So, we are going to eliminate the denominator of C. We have to make it equal to 1 by using, of course, the multiplication property of equality. So, we have here sine C. Tanggal na siya. Matitira na lang sa'yo ay C A sine C over sine A. And that is going to be the measurement of your side C. Okay? So, ito yon. Ito yung sinasabi dito. Okay? Now, hanap na tayo ng mga value natin for the area. So, consider ulit natin ito. So, kung alam na natin ang value ni A, ito. At this time, alam na rin natin ang value ni C, which is the base. Pwede na natin makuha ang value ni H. Ano ang value ni H? Meron din tayong value ni B, di ba? So, we can use sin B is equal to H over A. Again, the opposite over the hypotenuse. Ayan siya. Hindi natin alam si B, so hindi natin siya ginamit. Giving us the measurement of the height, which is A sin B. Ito si H, or the height. Ayan. Itong si C, ito yung base natin. Since meron na tayong value ng base at height, substitute na natin siya dun sa ating formula. Masyado siyang malaki, so paliliitin natin siya. Just wait a moment. Oops. Tataas ko lang to konti. Aba. Uy. Tanggalin na natin yan. Yan. Ito na sila. Delete ko na lang to. Okay. So, tuloy natin. Ano ang alam natin sa area? Ang ginagamit na natin ngayon na notation ay K, and it is equal to 1/2 base times the height. Yan. Meron tayong base. Ang base natin ay si C. Unknown nga si C. So, ang gagamitin natin ay yung derived na value ni C. This one. So, K is equal to 1/2 A sin C over sin A. And the height is A sin B. Okay. So, mapapansin nyo dito nagkaroon na siya ng square, di ba? So, dito, ganun din yon. We are going to... Hindi na naman siya kasya. Paano kaya ito pagkakasya yun? We have here K is equal to 1/2. Tapos, multiply na natin sila. A times A, we have A squared. Sin C times sin B, we are going to have sin B sin C. So, i-alphabetize ulit natin sila. We have sin B sin C. Okay. So, dito sa ilalim, we have sin A. Ngayon, baka magtaka, ba't nagkaroon ng 2 dito, ma'am? Huwag nyo kakalimutan yung 1/2 nyo dito. May 1/2 pa tayo. Pasensya na kayo kung medyo magulo yung ating board. Dito ko na siya isusulat, ha? So, i-times na natin si 1/2 with our combined base and height. So, K will then be equal to 1 times itong numerator. So, same lang. A squared sine B, sine C. Tapos, 2 times the denominator, we have 2 sine A. Okay? So, this is now our formula kapag meron kang tatlong given na angle at saka isang side A. Tanong ulit, ma'am, kung meron tayong mga clue before, para matandaan ko ng maigi yung mga formula, may clue rin ba dito sa case na to? Answer, meron din po. If you are going to look at it, meron ulit tayong pattern. So, ito po si given side, which is A. Kung mapapansin nyo, ang kapartner niya dito sa taas ay yung dalawang angles which are not opposite it. So, ang opposite ni A ay si angle A, di ba? Ang kasama niya sa taas ay si angle B at saka si angle C. And then sa baba, nandun yung kanyang opposite which is sine A. So, yun lang ulit yung tatandaan nyo. So, without looking at the book that we have, since alam na natin yung property, kung ang given sa'yo ay si side, halimbawa, B. So, you will just replace this with B squared. Sino kasama ni B squared sa taas? Yung hindi opposite sa kanya, which are A and C. So, we have here sine A at saka sine C. Tapos sa baba, we have 2 sine, the opposite of side B, which is sine angle B. Okay, may dalawa na tayong formula. Paano po kung ang given ay si side C? Ganun lang po ulit. So, K is equal to C squared naman ang gagamitin natin for the numerator. And then sine, yung hindi opposite sa kanya, we have sine A at saka si sine B. Tapos sa baba, doon na natin gagamitin yung opposite sa kanya, we have 2 sine C. So, now we have all of the three formula for finding the area of a general triangle na magfo-fall with case 2 wherein the three angles are given and any side. Okay? Okay. Now, inom na ako ng tubig. Papakita na tayo ng example. Just wait a moment. Okay, now let's go to the example. So, copy lang natin kung ano yung given na example dito sa book. And then, let us demonstrate how it is done. These are the given. Ay. Tapos, ito yung illustration. Parang gusto ko ibigay sa inyong solution ay yung hindi katulad nung nasa book. Anong ginamit niya dito? A squared sine B sine C. Okay. So, magpalit tayo ng gagamitin. Huwag natin gamitin yung first na formula. So, here, ulit nga, anong ginamit niya? BC A. Okay. Hindi pala pwede. Kasi isang side nga lang pala yung given. So, we have here K is equal to let's determine the known part. So, we have here A. So, A is known. Let's write here A squared. Kapartner ni A squared sa taas ay yung sine ng dalawang non-opposite angles niya. We have sine B at saka sine C. Sa baba niya ay twice the sine of its opposite angle. So, ang opposite angle niya ay sine A. Okay, so substitute na natin sila. A is 12, so we have 12 squared. And then sine B, we have 25 times sine C, which is 40 degree. Sa baba, we have twice sine of its opposite, sine A. The benefit of having a scientific calculator na right view, kung paano nyo siya sinulat dito, pwede nyo rin siyang i-input sa calculator the same way. So, lagay tayo dito ng isa pang bar or isang line, tapos isolve na natin siya. Tagal lumabas ah. Okay, input natin fraction, and then we have 12 raised to the power of 2 quantity sine 25 multiplied by sine 40. Ayan. Next, sa baba, we have 2 sine A. Aba, anong A? Ang A ay 115. 115 degrees. Sine 115. Okay. So, our area is 21.5810. 21.5810. So, this is the area of our given triangle here. Let's see. Pares ba? Yun, 21.58. Okay. Dito na tayo sa kasunod. Ito, maganda to. So, meron tayong tinatawag na Heron's formula when all the three sides are given. None of the angles are given dito. Puro sides lang. So, ano ang gagamitin natin sa Heron's formula? Ang dali lang din ito tandaan. Ayan. So, case 3, meron na tayong 3 sides. So, wala tayong gagamiting angle. So, sobrang dali siya tandaan. So, sides A, B, C are known. So, isa lang ang gagamitin natin for the value of the area K. Isa lang po ang formula dyan. It is equal to S times S minus A times S minus B times S minus C. Now, the question is, what is S? So, ang S po ay 1/2 times the sum of A, B, and C. Okay? Ano ang A, B, at C? Kung natatandaan nyo po ang ating perimeter, kung ang sides natin ay A, B, at C, if you are going to sum it all up, you are going to get the perimeter of the given triangle. Kalahati lang siya ng perimeter. Okay? Okay. So, S is half of the perimeter of the given triangle. So, sulat natin dito. CS, that is 1/2 of the perimeter, A plus B plus C, and the area is equal to the square root of S times S minus the first side times S minus the second side and S minus the third side. Yan lang po ang ating value ng area. Nasabi ko nga ay hindi natin i-denote with A. Instead, we are using K. Ayan. Now, let's have the example. Yun yung derivation yung kanina. Okay. So we have K is equal to S times S minus A times S minus B times S minus C. So let's first have the value of S. S is equal to 1/2 of A. 5 plus B, 4 plus 7, C. We have 1/2 is equal to, ilan to? 9 plus 7, 16. And 1/2 of 16 is 8. So we have S is equal to 8. So we have here 8 times 8 minus A, 8 minus 5. 8 minus B, it is 8 minus 4. 8 minus C, it is 8 minus 7. Next we have 8 times 8 minus 5, 3. 8 minus 4, 4. 8 minus 7, we have 1. So, on this part, kuha na lang tayo ng calculator. And then, yan. Nasulat ko na siya kaagad. So, we have kunyari, hindi ko pa siya sinosolve. Square root of 8 times 3 times 4 times 1. So, we have 9.7979. This is the approximated area of our given triangle. Okay? Okay. Na natin to i-discuss. So another formula for the triangle given its three side is given below. For a triangle with sides A is greater than or equal to B, which is greater than or equal to C, the area is 1/2 times the square root of A squared times C squared minus A squared plus C squared minus B squared over 2 squared. Ayan. So, ito ay hindi ko na i-discuss. So, this is going to be the end of our lecture for the area of triangles. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye!